Siwela, tell us a bit about yourself and how you became involved with, our fantastic wine industry.
Okay. I actually come from Polokwane in Limpopo, so I was born and raised there. And when I finished with my high school, I decided to come study in Cape Town. And fortunately for me, I initially thought I was going to study medicine, but my marks were not so good. So that didn't happen. And I studied biotechnology. So that's where I got, a whole understanding or an idea about the existence of
Uh,
the wine industry.
If I may
Where I
just
come
ask,
from, we.
if I may just ask, did the wine
Mm.
have anything to do with the fact that your marks weren't so good?
No.
Just,
They were good. They were good, just not for medicine.
I see. I'm just checking here.
So, biotechnology is basically the use of microorganisms to come up with product. And one of my majors were fermentation and microbiology. So that's how I got to, have an idea about, what winemaking is all about, and the fact that there is an industry which is the wine industry. And I got so interested. I think also the fact that it was something I never knew about before just made me more interested and more, willing and interested, obviously, to learn more about this industry. And fortunately, when I finished with my studies, I got an internship with one of the wineries in Stellenbosch. So I was with Waterstone Wines. That's where I began working in the wine industry. I still found it very interesting, and I still wanted to learn more about the industry. So I was fortunate again to work with Estelle, which I worked with for a couple of years before I ventured into Siwela Wines. And after that, it just became one thing on top of the other. And I've also still continued with my studies. I still do at the moment because I think you can just never stop learning about wine. And currently, I've partnered with Kuhlenhof in Stellenbosch. That's where I produce my wonderful range of wines.
Okay, awesome. So,
Yes.
which year did you start Siwela Wines?
2018.
2018. Oh, so you almost so just over 2 years ago. That's
Yeah,
wonderful.
still fresh.